Hey guys, it's Jen from Live, Love, Lift. Here we are, Sunday night. The week has absolutely flown by. I don't know where it went, but at this point, it doesn't matter where it went because here we are. So I had some really awesome questions posed, and I'm going to focus on one of them because, as always, and actually a little more so tonight, I'm kind of fried. I've got a lot of stuff going on right now and some serious focus issues, which isn't a bad thing, but this is what we've got going on. So my beautiful little friend, Kaylina, asked the question today. She wanted to know if there would ever be a time in which perhaps I would move forward and do like a summer boot camp, or a program, something along those lines where I, kind of shared with everybody my my experience with starting this fitness lifestyle, from dieting, all the way through to the workouts. And holy cow! You know what? That the timing for this question pretty much blew my mind, because I actually had a conversation with my best friend last night, who is a entrepreneur extraordinaire, and she's working on some things right now that that are pretty exciting and right along those lines. So my little friend, yes, this year probably not. Definitely in the future, though, because as I've said before, this is not a destination. This is not, I'm training and I'm doing a show and then that's what I'm doing. This is a lifestyle that is a passion that goes beyond, anything that I have experienced thus far in my life. And, to be at this point at my age, to have finally found this particular passion is crazy. So, what, without going into a lot of detail, absolutely, I think there's some really big things coming. I'm going to network with a few other people and see what that looks like, but I want to go places and I want to do things and I want to help other people. So hopefully that question was answered. You know what? Another question again was food prep, and I promise you, I promise, I'm going to dedicate one whole video just to food prep. I'm going to give it some thought and really kind of have it nice and concise and precise, with how I do it from start to finish, what I'm doing, and the reasons behind what I'm prepping. So it will be kind of an easy, straightforward, but it definitely, it's something that I need to really kind of give some thought to and not just throw out there, randomly, because there's a lot involved. So that's that. It's like I said, it's been a really long week, and in all honesty, it's been kind of a shitty week. And I say that with a smile because I'm finally starting to feel a little bit better. Today I kind of turned a corner with my food and realized that I had been fighting it. I had been fighting food. Can you imagine? That sounds really crazy, right? Well, the reality is that's what I have been doing. And, today I packed my food bag. I ate everything that was in it. I didn't give it a second thought. I didn't deviate. I didn't look for excuses. And, for someone that's trying to do what I'm doing right now with this competition, food becomes everything. It is the starting point, the middle, and the end. And if that piece isn't right, you can train your butt off and look really great in certain places and absolutely just not be successful. So I'm feeling really good about that. But I wasn't feeling good this week at all. I honestly was, I sort of hit a wall, and the wall looked like, why am I doing this? What? Sort of almost like I think I'm going to give up type feeling. And that's not okay. It's not okay. It's been a year of a lot of really hard work, and a lot of dedication, and a lot of sacrifices, and a lot of losses and gains. And at this point in my life, the gains are outweighing the losses tenfold. And for me to give up on myself like I always used to do, every single time something got hard, I would just stop. And it got hard this week, and I wanted to stop. But you know what? I didn't, and I'm not going to, because I want this more than anything. And what this is a healthier, fitter me, period. And it doesn't matter at the end of the day. You know what? I'm going to do this show in May. And then honestly, I don't know if I'll do another one ever, but I'm going to do it. But I'm going to have other things that I'm going to do. And I'm going to focus on some races. I'm probably going to do a Spartan race in June. And then my girlfriend wants me to do a zombie race in July. And, you know, so these are the things that are going to, I'm going to start focusing on, and I'm not going to give up on me. And if you think for a minute that it's okay to give up on you, don't do it. Don't do it. So before I start blubbering like a brat, I'm going to stop there. And as always, thank you guys from the bottom of my heart for being the amazing support and friends, you know, that this nutty chica could have, because I am pretty crazy. So on that note, I hope you had an awesome day and an amazing weekend, and I can't wait to start it all over again tomorrow. So have a great night. Bye.